Atrial fibrillation, or AFib, is a disorder that occurs when the heart's upper chambers beat rapidly and out of sync with the lower chambers. The condition often leads to a heart attack or stroke, but protocols used at Aurora BayCare Medical Center can help patients manage the condition. Erin Taylor has more in Health Watch.
In patients with AFib, the heart is not able to pump blood as efficiently and over time could develop heart failure. I spoke to one patient who entered the emergency department at Aurora BayCare Medical Center to be treated for AFib and benefited from the hospital's protocols that closely connect the emergency department to the rest of the team.
It was a blur to me.
Mark McCartney doesn't remember much about his trip to Aurora BayCare's emergency department after experiencing shortness of breath.
All I know is I had constant monitoring, people coming in and checking on me continuously. I had great care while I was here.
Our goal is to provide the best care to the patient the quickest way possible.
And for patients with AFib, that means working closely with other departments within the hospital.
We're in very close contact with both the electrophysiology and cardiology department. Them lending their expertise within minutes provides excellent care for the patient.
In Mark's case, that meant enlisting the help of Dr. Vinay Mehta and the rest of the AFib team.
They immediately set the train in motion.
I came in very, very poor condition. In fact, I shouldn't even be alive today.
And for Mark, time was of the essence.
He had heart failure along with atrial fibrillation. His heart muscle was extremely weak and the heart pump function was very weak.
But thanks to swift teamwork within Aurora BayCare.
Dr. Mehta was, not only did he answer my questions, he took time with my family.
He's now working toward getting back to normal while continuing to monitor his condition with the help of Dr. Mehta.
I'm doing great with the medication plan that I'm on right now. I'm almost back to a normal life, which my grandkids are very thankful for.
Aurora BayCare is one of the state's leading resources for arrhythmia, AFib, and congestive heart failure. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email HealthWatch at aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Erin Taylor, Local 5 News.